it up. Lift it up.
You want another what? Another what? Another piece?
Yeah.
Well, look, he has two. Why don't you put your two with his two? And you could give him that. Go over and give it to him. That's nice of you.
Sean. I did this one by Miss Melissa. Miss Melissa.
I want to see what Sean says.
You're welcome.
What is your name? Well, you are just outstanding. Collaborating with your team, sharing with others.
Miss
Woo.
Melissa.
And you have cute hair.
I did this one by myself.
How did you get it to work?
I tied it with the bow.
Wait, did you tie it?
I tied it.
Oh, okay.
I tied it with the bow, and you just twist it. Wait, where'd the bow go?
I think it's.
The bow?
I think it fell between your legs. Here. Oh.
If this one can't move, if this
I don't know.
it won't move. It's stuck. Oh, here it is. The other way.
So when you're tightening
I
it,
put in the hole, and you just twist it.
but wait a second.
You just twist it to the boat, to the boat.
Yeah, to the shaft of the boat. But before you do that, can we look at something? In this hole, do you need a bolt here to attach this to this?
It's because this can fit in it.
It sure can fit in it, but if you put it through there, is this being attached to anything else? What?
It's attached like this. It's not moving or nothing.
Exactly, because you lined up these holes with the holes here, but look at how these holes are, and look at these holes.
Wait, can I see this? It's really heavy. Give me the other one. What? Oh my.
So then why are you putting that bolt there?
Oh, for screws. So I can twist it.
Okay, because you're just practicing using it. So when you're twisting it, which way are you turning it?
This way.
And you know keep going this way.
You're so Destiny.